In this video, we will discuss the 5 best PC cases for RTX 4080 graphics cards. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Jonsbo PC Case. The Jonsbo TK1 Black Separated Cabinet PC Case offers a sleek and versatile solution for desktop PC builds, catering to a range of form factors including micro ATX, MATX, and mini ITX. Its compact size and unique design make it suitable for multi-angle placement, featuring a striking combination of double curved glass and aluminum alloy shell construction. The case exudes a modern and premium aesthetic. The 2.5 surface curved glass provides an elegant display surface while maintaining durability and clarity. For cooling, the TK1 supports both air cooling and AIO water cooling configurations, with provisions for vertical air ducts and fan placements on the top and bottom panels. In terms of compatibility, the case accommodates components such as CPU coolers with a maximum height of 165 mm, AIO water coolers up to 240 mm in length, GPUs with a maximum length of 280 mm, and ATX power supplies up to 220 mm. This PC case strikes a balance between compactness and functionality, making it an attractive choice for users seeking a stylish and versatile PC enclosure. Number 2. Fractal Design PC Case. Elevate your gaming setup with the Fractal Design PC Case, boasting a sophisticated blend of wood and alloy details that add a touch of elegance to any gaming station. Compatible with ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, this case offers versatility for various build configurations. Experience efficient airflow and stylish design with the open front and integrated mesh, providing natural ventilation while enhancing the aesthetic appeal. Accommodate powerful GPUs up to 355 mm in length or opt for a 360 mm front radiator with GPUs up to 300 mm. Kickstart your build with the inclusion of two 140 mm aspect PWM fans, ensuring optimal cooling performance right out of the box. The clear tempered glass side panel offers scratch resistance and a crystal clear view of your build components, allowing you to showcase your hardware and style. Number 3. Antec Performance Gaming PC Case. The Antec Performance 1FT introduces a new era of gaming PC cases, boasting a modular full-tower design that prioritizes interior space and airflow for optimal performance. Equipped with pre-installed 140 mm Storm T3 PWM fans at the front and a 120 mm fan at the rear, this case supports up to 10 fans simultaneously, ensuring exceptional cooling efficiency. Additionally, it accommodates a 420 mm radiator at the front and a 360 mm radiator at the top, with massive air intake at the bottom to enhance GPU cooling. Convenience meets functionality with a switch button to toggle temperature display, offering real-time monitoring of internal conditions. The case also features ample cable management options, including 3 cable ties on the right and left layout, providing 2 paths for cable routing, along with 2 cable ties at the back. Plus, with magnetic dust filters at the front and full-size filters at the top and bottom, maintenance is hassle-free, ensuring longevity and peak performance for your gaming rig. Number 4. Musetex K2 Gaming PC Case. The Musetex K2 gaming computer case offers a visually stunning experience combined with top-notch installation features, making it a standout choice for gamers seeking high performance and value. With 6 pre-installed PWM ARB fans, this case delivers strong cooling performance, ensuring optimal temperature regulation during intense gaming sessions. Its powerful space layout, meticulously designed by Musetex, offers seamless installation without any obstructions, allowing gamers to fully indulge in their diverse DIY preferences. Supporting GPU up to 420 mm, CPU cooling height up to 176 mm, and top mounting up to 360 mm liquid rad, this case accommodates a wide range of mainstream hardware with ease. Overall, the Musetex K2 PC case combines style, performance, and functionality, making it a top choice for gamers seeking a premium gaming experience. Number 5. Segotep PC Case. The Segotep PC Case offers a versatile and spacious design, catering to the needs of gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. With support for vertical GPU mounting, Users can securely install their graphics card without worrying about deformation, enhancing the visual appeal of their build. The case's open interior accommodates up to eATX motherboards and large water cooling radiators, providing ample room for high-performance components. Featuring a 07mm SPCC transparent tool-free glass side panel, the case allows users to showcase their RGB components and internal hardware with ease. Superior airflow is achieved with support for up to 7 case fans, ensuring optimal cooling performance during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the detachable fan bracket and dust-proof design, including pull-out filters and magnetic dust-proof net on the front panel, help keep the system clean and dust-free. Overall, the Segotep PC case combines functionality, aesthetics, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for building a high-performance gaming rig.
All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.